Nel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Update, big wow and biggest congratulations to our Miss Independent International 2025 Westmin Picalso for graduating with honors in BS Mechanical Engineering. Totoo ngang hakot award at literal na hakot award ang ating reyna from the Philippines na si Westmin Picalso dahil bukod sa kanyang mga awards sa pageant at ang koron ng kanyang napanalunan, ngayon naman ay literal na dumagdag bilang hakot award sa kanyang pagkapanalo ang graduating with honors ng BS Mechanical Engineering. Sobrang proud kami sa iyo Westmin, and your journey continues to inspire so many, lalo na sa mga young girls na nangangarap na maging beauty queen at engineer. Balikan natin ang mga hakot awards ni Westmin. Sa pagkapanalo bilang Miss Independent International, nakuha niya ang Best in National Costume, Best in Inclusivity, Best in Catwalk, Best Body, and Best in Evening Gown. Wow, and what a season of victory for the Philippines. Congratulations once again to our Miss Independent International 2025, none other than our very own Westmin Picalso. Hindi lang basta beauty queen, kundi certified engineer with honors. Westmin Picalso is the perfect example of what it means to be a modern Filipina. Matapang, matalino at may puso. She inspires us to chase our dreams in all directions, whether in heels on stage or in lab coats in school. Once again, congratulations, and you made the Philippines proud twice over. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this inspiring story. Maraming salamat sa panonood at nawa ay pindutin ang subscribe button para sa mga bagong balita na aming ibibigay. This is Nel 2204, ang inyong pageant vlogger host.